Welcome to the PPM Racing Products YouTube channel. I'm Hunter.
Really?
Welcome back to the PPM Racing Products YouTube channel. I'm Hunter.
And I'm Randy.
And today we're going to be talking to y'all about our adjustable 4-bar rods.
So what, as Hunter said, let's start over.
These are actually adjustable, and Randy will tell you a little more about what makes them the best option down there, and I'll give you a little overview of what it consists of. So to start out, we have four different size options.